Donald with Steam Bright Supply, and today we're testing the Clean Storm triple HEPA vacuum with a PreSeparator on it. This is Clean Storm model 2024-0510, and this unit has been beefed up with 240 volt vac motors. It's got 3 of them in it, but it's designed so that it uses standard regular 12-3 cord with we're going to have a jet fly over for a second. Regular 12-3 extension cord that has a built-in phase locator. When you plug each cord into separate circuit breakers, you press the button, it'll give you a bright green light. It makes 240 volts under the hood. So what happens is the dirt and air is going to come in here and spin around and fall into this container. Now what we've done on this container is this has 2 33-gallon 0.51 mil trash bags, and we doubled them up because underneath this bottom there's holes that are drilled in here so that when we turn the vacuum off, any dirt that's in here falls into the bag. Inside of the unit here there are 3 stages of filtration. There is a yellow high efficiency paper bag. There is a yellow, that yellow bag is disposable when it fills up. There is a cleanable cotton poly cone filter, and then there's a washable HEPA filter. So the last 2 filters don't ever have to be changed out. You just wash them, dry them, and reuse them over and over again. Today we've poured 50 pounds of sand and rock and dirt over on the concrete, and this has got 50 feet of 2-inch hose. We ran a similar test with another vacuum unit, and adding 50 pounds of weight inside the hose certainly makes it heavy, but it doesn't have a problem doing it. This produces 335 cubic feet of airflow per minute at 108 inches of water lift. So let's just go ahead and turn it on, and then we'll turn the unit off once we pick up the 50 pounds of sand and see what happens when we detach the Velcro strap that's holding the bag up. Now these vacuums are commonly used for concrete grinding or any other kind of hazardous work because it has so much filtration. This particular vacuum was designed with all aluminum construction on the dolly. We've got another jet going overhead. We're close to Randolph Air Force Base. And the whole thing only weighs 85 pounds, which is amazing compared to other concrete vacuums and that have PreSeparators that usually weigh 300 pounds. This one can easily be, doesn't require it, 2 people to team lift it or anything else. One person can certainly work with it. The top handle comes off so that you can put it in a regular van that has a 50-inch inside roof clearance. Has stair climbing wheels. Has a built-in hanging rack to hold the extension cords. So overall, we're certainly real pleased with how that the whole unit is set up, and it's way more economical than other units on the market. Here's some little bit heavier duty rocks. Doesn't have any problem picking any of that up. Wow. Hope these bags can hold. That's a lot of weight. Wow. It did a really good job of pre-separating it. So I'm sure that only the lighter stuff made it in the vacuum. That really keeps your filters clean twice as long. And we're certainly excited about being able to sell this. And if it works well for your business, let us know. Anyway, thanks for watching.